Please, boy, leave me alone now. What's wrong with you?
You love me. I know you love me. I know you care. I just wanna go and I'll be there. I know you love me.
You just keep looking for new things to annoy me in this company.
That's because I am your nightmare. Oh, see this one.
What is leave me alone
this
now?
Sleeping on duty.
Martin, are you mad? What's happened?
I was just trying to wake this boy that's sleeping up, nothing more.
Fred! Fred! Hey. Are you stupid? Why are you sleeping on duty?
Mother!
Eh? Why are you sleeping on duty?
Mother, you slapped me!
And I'll just slap you again.
Hey! Hey! Look what was not married. Madam, you know say from where I'm from, come woman know they slap man.
So if they popular than men, you will come out. Okay, get up and be active at work. Yes, you came here to sleep. Is this your house? Is this your house? Nonsense.
Hey!
Yeah. Come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Another one. Let's get us. You gotta love us. You just got. Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
What's so wrong with this girl? So, because of the small respect you are giving her because it's her sister's company, that's what she wants to misbehave with.
My point exactly is the fact that she could slap a man because she works in this company that is her sister's company. Hey! Come on, woman, with the bend down piece. Woman, with the bend down piece, they slap me. Hi!
But you say, what's wrong with you, eh? Why you always in sleep for work? You
small
don't sleep for house.
You small pikin, you no go understand. Responsibilities wey dey my head sometimes I no dey even dey see sleep for house. Guy, no worry yourself. I understand. Sorry, okay? But that slap, I don't say enter, but don't worry yourself. Hey! Woman, with the better peace. Hey!
Oh yeah, sorry now, don't cry.
Hey, no, I'm going to tell her I'm sorry. All this sorry will make her get more emotional. It's not a man's thing to be emotional.
That's the problem with you men, eh? Instead of you to express your emotions, you just keep everything inside.
So man no dey show emotion. Why man will show emotion? So make man show after so much responsibility, we dey make man show emotion. No, man no supposed to show emotion.
Oh yeah, don't show emotion. Post.
Eh? Madam face I dey look. Now madam face. Why madam never even come work today, sef? If not, wetin go make small madam dey slap me like this? My guy, no worry yourself. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. This slap hot. We'll do alright. No worry. We'll do alright. Hot.
Pele.
No tell me pele. No tell me pele.
Yes.
Tell me pele. You can see I sleep with the country baby.
Madam still hasn't come into work today. Did she leave with any message to anyone?
I don't remember her saying she was not going to come to work.
Let me go. Good morning, ma. Yes, ma. I'm just calling to check on you because you haven't been into work yet. Please, is everything okay? Oh, okay. I'm so sorry to hear that, ma. Okay, please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
What did she say?
She said that she's not feeling fine today, that she can't even come into work.
Oh, damn. Oh, my condolences. Oh. Hey.
Your condolences to her.
To madam now? She know where. Hey.
What is wrong with you? You don't use the word condolences for such contest. That is wrong. It is for people that are dead.
You? And I didn't talk am before and nobody correct me. Hey, thank you. But which one can be contest? Who they do competition?
Oh, the word context. that's different from the word contest. Do you get? They are different. They must have same pronunciation, but they are different. You get? Context on the other hand is something like useful situations.
Okay, like situation now.
Yeah.
Like a content. You see what I like is this guy. Nobody correct me. Only you say you correct me. They teach me big grammar.
It's okay,
Thomas. Don't go and use it wrongly because me, I know you.
Leave the dumbass alone.
I can text you. Good morning, ma. Welcome to Futizo Properties Limited. How may I be of service?
Good morning.
Morning, ma.
I am here to purchase a property. I heard you guys are the best in town.
Number one! As you see us here now we be number one for the Obodo Nigeria Nile. Whoever tell you that, he tell you correct. He tell you correct. Madam, you see as they here now, any of them feel attend to you, make me just go back my post. Thank you.
Go back. There's no need for any of this now. Can you come with me now?
Okay, handsome. Can I sit?
Sure, sit on it.
Thank you, handsome.
So this is the second time you're calling me handsome today. And the last lady that called me handsome just once, she ended up proposing.
As I can see, there's no ring on your finger. So what happened?
That's because I turned her down.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Let's say because she's not my type.
Oh. And what is your type?
I believe I'm looking at her right now.
Okay, I believe today is my lucky day.
Of course it is, ma'am.
So, drop the man. Call me Miss T.
Okay, Miss T. Let's
T
go back
for
to
T.
business. Yeah. So, we have a form here which you'd have to fill. And after filling, because we need your official phone number, your identity card, and some other information that you're gonna see on the form. So these are all for security reasons, ma'am.
I told you to drop the man, but it's okay. Your Byron?
Oh, you mean my pens?
Okay, this is it. Handsome.
Thank you. Single.
Divorced.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, Miss T. Though my boss is not around, she would have been able to give you a discount. But definitely we have our manager, which I'm gonna take you to her so that she can seal this deal for you. While she's done sealing, I bet we can discuss over dinner where you can eat after we're done eating.
Really?
Shall we, ma'am?
I can't wait.
Okay, after your beautiful behind, madam.
Call me.
Of course. After your beautiful behind, ma'am. This way.
Everybody come on. We're fine. We're fine. We're family, but we're fine. And we can boogie, and we boogie. We get the mola. Don't mess with us.
see me, you know my value and my worth.
See your life. I always say it, men are so cheap.
Leave her for me, jealousy.
Who is jealous of me because of sugar mommy? Do you even know how many sugar daddies are ringing my line non-stop? They are disturbing me.
Allow me enjoy the one that is my own.
I beg, Martins, leave her now, jealousy the warrior.
Jealous me.
Yeah? Oh boy, she give you number.
No man, you know that man, no say asking. Hey! We should won't buy house for Banana Island. And as I did like this, the only thing will be my work for this life now. And to be pleasant, the matcha.
The matcha. I see the matcha and she's soft well, just impressed.
She just they agree for me. If I look side, she looks side. If I look front, she look. No matter.
I see her. Hey, take am easy. Take am easy. But as they do that, remember say she need to be your boy here now.
No man,
she they give you.
No man, I will press you. I don't be I don't go press them. You know how to be that. I
trust you.
Sure, no man.
These people are disgusting me. I can't even eat my food. Please go.
She no go fit eat. No place for the weekend.
Correct guy.
No man.
Don't forget to.
Yes,
just 5%. I trust you. Don't forget to.
No man.
Even if not at least 2 hours, later take a nature.
They could die.
Fred, you are sleeping again. You are sleeping again.
Madam, I know they sleep. I just make a rest small like this. I close my eyes. But madam, not be my fault now.
Then whose fault is it? Is it mine? No, tell me, is it my fault?
Madam, you don't go understand. Like 2 jobs that they do like this every day. I go work here for day finish. I go work for night somewhere else. So I go feel see enough money to take care of my children and my entire family. And every day, you know they understand somebody.
So now this story that you told me, how is it my business or the company's business? See, you know you're very lucky I'm in a good mood. If not, I would have landed you another slap that will reset your brain.
Madam, no landed me another slap.
Fred, what did you just say?
Madam, I said make you know they landed me slap again.
Fred, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
How dare you!
Madam! What?
Hey!
Madam, don't try that thing.
Fred, kill me now! Beat me! Fred, hit me! Beat me! Fred, beat me!
Fred just told you how he has to do 2 jobs, morning and night, and different companies just to be able to meet enemies. How he has to do everything he has to do as much as possible to just be able to to feed his children. Which is something I am certain about the fact that you have no idea or whatsoever what this feels like, because you're just a privileged girl who worked in a company that has struggled so hard to build.
Excuse you.
Yes.
Are you moving mad? Like, Martins, are you moving mad?
Sorry, anybody that is moving mad, it is you. So you have to watch your step and don't you ever raise your hand on the
Martin, how dare you? How dare you speak to me like that? Do you know who you're talking to? Do you know? I'm not even meant to say too much. Pack your things and leave this place because you are suspended until the boss knows what to do with you.
Take this clown out of here. And you cannot do that.
Fred, take this clown out of here.
Madam.
I said take this clown out of here.
Madam, if there is any clown here, it is you. Because you are acting like Brother Shaggy now. And all these comedians. Because this man here is not doing anything.
Oh, I can see both of you have ganged up against me, Abby. Both of you have ganged up. This is how it is now, Abby. Come here. You will see. Both of you shall see.
That's the chincha. Legodi chincha. Omwakina sisi. Ha! Oko pas na mpari ga ade kwa. Hey! If no be how person go take it to see daily bread, now you go make it this small cockroach they talk to me anyhow. Hey! My container will sick, but I see now cause this kind of thing. I don't even know why I can sleep, sir.
understand how you're done with your staff, especially that Fred guy. Like, he's not even qualified to be here. Why is he here? Rachel. Yes. Drop that thought and don't ever bring it up to me again. Listen, trust that your sister is not stupid. Okay? If I was to let everybody go, including you, I will never let Fred go. Yes, you heard me. Fred believed in me when nobody else did. Not even Mom. He was in it, 100%. He left his job and joined hands with me to grow this company to what it is today. There were times I couldn't eat. I couldn't feed myself. I couldn't afford basic things. And he came through for me. We slugged it out together. So please don't ever suggest that to me again. You don't know anything about this. Just stay out of it. Is that all you came here to do? Yes. I just wanted to run.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. How fun. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. It's another one.
Madam, make a rap for this song. I beg. Make a rap for this song. I beg. I beg now. Please, I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Voila, no too much.
Actors in character 3. Quiet!
Quiet outside job sleeping.
Sorry. Where's the actor?
Okay. Starting by.
Call your shots.
Now read the first one.
You still there, but call your shots.
Episode 14, scene 4. Both cams. Take 1.
Action! Are
we rolling?
Rolling.
Episode 14, scene 4. Scene 4. Both cam shots.
Let's go! Actors in character. If you are sleeping, sleep. 3, 2, 1, and action!
Fred, you are sleeping again.
No, madam, I don't sleep.
You are sleeping again.
Madam, I just say make a rest small. I don't tire. Madam, no be my fault. I tell you, no be my fault.
Then whose fault is this? Is it mine?
Madam, you no go understand. No, now like 2 places they work. Oh. If I work here, finish, I go.
Who is that? Get the fuck back! Pick up!
Inverter going off, generator coming on.
Let's go.
Sam. Episode 14, scene 1. Wide and movement shots. Take 1. Over.